Hello guys, and welcome back to vllo. You guys asked for a packaging vlog, so here it is. I also want to thank each and every one of you for hitting 1,000 subscribers. Most of you guys came from a tutorial or a crochet vlog, and some of you guys didn't know we had a shop and what products we offer, so I thought this video would be a great idea to show you guys how I package my Etsy orders. If you want to get your order put in a studio vlog or a future packing vlog, just let me know by DMing me on Instagram or put it in the order note. Before I get started, please subscribe and let's get on with the video. I wanted to start this packing vlog with an order from Erin. This is our most popular item, which you'll probably see a few times in this video, which is the custom embroidered they them or pronouns masks. All our masks are 2 layers and you can insert a filter in between, and you can choose the color of the embroidery thread and the base fabric. I started off by lint rolling the masks so they look very clean and professional, and then I go ahead with this waterproof layer to ensure the masks stay dry during transit. I stick it on with a logo sticker and put 2 pieces of washi tape to secure the package. I like to use a piece of tissue paper to wrap the outside of the product so it's like a gift wrap. Right now I'm using a piece of pink tissue paper and it matches the brand colors of vllo. I always use a ruler to help fold the tissue paper or the waterproof layer so all the lines are nice and clean. Go ahead and add the package with love sticker that I designed, as well as a thick washi tape to secure the sides. I taped down the envelope with all the information inside, and the package is ready to go. I hope you like this, Erin. Next up, I'm packaging this scrunchie, this cotton purple and green scrunchie for Patrice. First, I'm going ahead and measuring the waterproof layer, taping it down, and using the ruler to secure the sides. My packaging for scrunchies are very similar to the mask packaging. Here I'm adding a logo sticker and the pieces of washi tape to secure. The only difference is I do add a backing card to hold the scrunchies, where you can see here it says hair accessories. Here we have a mask in the matching colors of the scrunchie and lavender, white, and green, which represents the genderqueer flag. I'm doing the exact same process with the ruler, first starting off with the waterproof layer, adding a logo sticker and the washi tape to secure. These colors really stand out on our beige-based fabric, which is customizable. I measure the amount of tissue paper needed for the scrunchie and mask to be packaged together so we do not waste any product. Here I am using the tissue paper to nicely package the scrunchie and the mask together. I'm finding out which layout is the best. Last week was a big week for vllo as we hit our 1-year anniversary on July 22nd, as well as reaching 1K on YouTube, which I'm really thankful for. And I feel like it's time to start the next step in the business. I was thinking of starting a Patreon, which is a monthly subscription service, and you guys can choose whether to receive stickers, notebooks, masks, and scrunchies, and I'll let you guys know the details later, so let me know if you're interested in the comments. As always, all the products you see in this video are linked in the description, and if you have any ideas, be sure to let me know. Notebooks are our newest type of product, and this customer ordered a mini notebook with the personalization rice notes on top. You can personalize any words you'd like. So the first thing I'm doing is wrapping this in a secure glassine wax paper. So this is the waterproof layer, and it's also much thicker. So it acts as a protective layer as well as a waterproof layer for these notebooks, which are really delicate and cannot bend in transit. I go ahead and add the logo sticker and tape down the sides. I'm also adding the NOTEPAD label to the front of this package. Again, I'm going to go ahead and grab that tissue paper and cut it according to size so it can perfectly fit this mini notebook. I like all my products to have a cohesive look, so it's part of the branding. I try to keep the packaging very eco-friendly and minimalistic by using less products for packaging. Our packaging materials are 100% reused or recyclable. Here I am adding the packaged with love sticker. Some people may think that this tissue paper layer is not necessary, but I think it gives a super nice and professional touch to the product, and it feels like opening a gift. I'm trying to lay the products as flat as possible and adding a please do not bend sticker. Ensuring the packages are flat is very important for the shipping label, and I am using an adhesive layer as well as a layer of tape to reinforce it. Adding a logo sticker, and this package is done. Next we have a few kits, and I really love these kits because the customer can actually custom choose all the fabrics. So here is the Japanese floral fabric that the customer chose. Each kit comes with written instructions with images that I made, one piece of fabric, needle, thread, elastics, and adjusters. This is our face mask kit. It is actually a foldable face mask, which is different from our face mask that we sell. So I secure everything with washi and lay it out nicely so it does not move in transit. And then I flip everything over and package it with the waterproof layer. This material I use is very delicate and does not score nicely, but I still want the clean line, so I use a weight to hold some sides down while I'm using the ruler to fold the other sides. We have so many options for the face mask kits. Also, you can get the fabric by itself without the kit if you already have previously purchased the kit. Here I am using a washi to secure the sides. And as a finishing touch, I like to add one more logo sticker in the middle on the front. Here I'm packaging one more face mask kit. I have all the items prepared beforehand, so when I'm packaging it's very easy. Again, I'm seeing which is the best layout for all the materials, and then I use a washi to secure the back. They chose one of my favorite Japanese fabrics, which is this blue with some gold sheer. And again, I'm repeating the same process by using this waterproof layer as well as the ruler and the weights to help me get those clean lines. Attach a logo sticker on the back side, attach the sides with some washi, and then also attach one more logo sticker to the front. These two DIY face mask kits were the same order, so I'm going to go ahead and grab both of them. I put them facing together because the outsides act as a protective layer as they are a thick cardstock. Then I go ahead with the tissue paper. This time I'm using a purple one and folding it nicely to make clean lines. For my tissue paper layer, I like to use my package with love sticker, and then since this is a bigger package, I attach the sides with a matching green washi. I'm adding one more logo sticker at the front of the package and then putting it in the envelope. Now I'm going to package a few more PRONOUNS masks. This one is a Hebe in green embroidery, as well as some scrunchies, which is the exact same process as I've done before, so enjoy the ASMR. This mask is for Connor, and if you guys are wondering what are in each of these envelopes that I include with every order, there is a packing slip which lets the customer know exactly what they ordered. I include a handwritten thank you note as well as a business card and a coupon for their next purchase. I also include free mini sticker freebies. Right now, I'm just packing another scrunchie and then a pronouns mask, which is exactly the same as before, so I'm not going to explain it, but enjoy the ASMR. The cotton scrunchie and the they them mask came together with 2 orders for our DIY scrunchie kits, so I'm just going to package them all together in a large tissue paper. And to finish off the package, I'm just adding a package with love and please do not bend sticker. This is one of our most popular kits, which is the DIY scrunchie kit. It comes with 2 types of fabric, one half sewn and one fully just the fabric, as well as a business card, 2 elastics, a lot of thread, and a needle. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay out the materials how I want it to be seen. Then I'm going to flip it over and attach it with washi tape. This way it ensures that the products do not move in transit and the customer receives it exactly how I want them to. This is a floral fabric and this is a floral hummingbird fabric. After arranging it, I'm going to flip everything over. And then I'm going to repeat the same process with the waterproof layer. They also ordered one more DIY scrunchie kit with the same hummingbird floral fabric, and the one that I chose was this white or beige fabric with small yellow polka dots. And I'm repeating the same thing by finding all the materials, arranging it how I like, and flipping it over and washi taping them to secure them in transit. The thing I love about our DIY scrunchie kits and all of our kits is that you can choose the add-ons. For example, if you have already previously purchased a kit, you can just purchase the fabrics of your choice as well as the elastic and thread, so you can make as many scrunchies as you would like. And I'm going to wrap these up with the waterproof layer. This next customer ordered 2 embroidered masks. The first one is this custom text that says Mr. Baxley. I'm planning on releasing a new listing, which is a teacher's listing, so you can put your teacher's name, which is for our back to school launch. They also ordered a They Them mask with the green embroidery. So now I'm going to package them with the waterproof layer. I like to lint roll all my masks, especially the ones with the black base fabric. You can really see the loose threads hanging, so it just looks more clean and professional. Here I'm just going to wrap this mask as well with a waterproof layer. I'm going to take a piece of pink tissue paper and cut out the size that I will need to package both masks. And then I'm going to take a piece of tape to tape the mask in place so they don't move during transit. And then I use the tissue paper and fold it nicely. To add a package with love sticker and secure the sides with some tape. And here I'm making the envelope for Run. I take out my little packaging box and I find the materials I need. So I find a mini cardstock for the thank you note, as well as a business card and some freebie stickers. Here I'm just writing the thank you note, which comes with every order, and it goes in the envelope. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this packaging vlog as much as I enjoyed the packaging. If you want to see your order in a future video, just leave it in the order notes or DM me on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I try to reply to all your comments, and I'll see you next week. Bye!